Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. We've got some smart home stuff here today from Lutron. So thanks to Lutron for sending me these. These are very different from different product lines. There's the Aurora dimmer Zigbee switch. So this is a Zigbee switch. It's designed for Hue, but it also works with anything Zigbee. Most of my lights are Cree lights. They're Zigbee lights. They're installed already. So the idea of this is you put it on top of your switch, right? It locks the switch in an on position, and you can use this as a dimmer and an on-off over Zigbee. So you can remote control the bulb that way. You can see the instructions here. It tells you here, mounts over toggle switch, taps to turn on and off, twist to adjust light level. And yeah, you see the Zigbee logo here. So I'm excited about that. And then this here is the Caseta. So Caseta is a wireless system from Lutron. It comes with a smart bridge, it plugs into the internet. You get their app, and then you replace your actual wall switches with these dimmer controls, and then you can remote control them through the app. So you don't have to change the bulbs. You can leave the bulbs you already have. And like in my place, I have like 16-foot ceilings because it's an old Victorian house. It's a real hassle to climb up there with a ladder and change the bulbs. So you leave the bulbs and you put the dimmer in. Now I have LED dimmable bulbs everywhere in my home, but you know, you want to make sure you have dimmable bulbs to install this. And so yeah, it comes with everything. It's a starter kit. So basically you can buy more of these separately. And there's a little remote as well. So you can put this by your night table or something. It's cool. And so it tells you here a little bit more about it. So let's open this up real quick. Let's start with the Aurora real quick. So this is all super sealed for theft protection. So bear with me here. We're going to have to break stuff to get in. There we are. And let's pull that out. Ta-da! Nothing else in the box. So, comes with extended warranty card, and then here's the actual installation stuff. Now, as you can see, all you really need is Phillips screwdriver, rotary knob, and mounting base, which is behind the knob. I guess this is just a fake box, which is really cool. So let's see if we can open this up. Yep, there we go. Got the dimmer here, so it's pretty straightforward. See, you can see that it's got a battery already installed, and you mount this on top of the switch like that, and then you can, you know, rotate to dim and press to turn on and off. It's very cool. So I'm going to set that up on one of my Cree dimmable LED bulbs. And here is the other half of this. You can see it just mounts on the light and holds the actual switch in place, and then this kind of like clips on, and you can then click to turn on and off and rotate to dim. So that's basically how it's set up. And then we've got the Caseta wireless here. So let's open that up. It's also in a security box that I'm going to have to shred into pieces. Ta-da! You can clearly see the setup here. Wow, the hub is really small. I expected it looked kind of bigger in the picture. So let's have a quick look here. You see it comes with everything you need. There's some wiring required for this, so it's not super straightforward. Sorry for the cut, but I had to get scissors. Lutron is very, very clearly determined that we shouldn't be stealing these somehow, even though it was already in a safety box. And so I'm going to have to shred this open, I think, to get to it, which, needless to say, is mildly annoying, but hey, you know, that's what you get these days. There we go. And let's continue all the way around here. And there we are. So now we can actually access this stuff. There we go. Excitement. So we got the actual dimmer. So this is actually going to go into your wall and replace whatever's already there. So that's kind of cool. And then this has the actual hub, right? And it's got USB micro connection here, and I don't know what this button is, maybe reset or add. Maybe it's how you add a device. You push this and it looks for device Ethernet. So I don't think this has Wi-Fi built in, so you'll have to plug it into your router, but thank God they include an Ethernet cable. And they also include a little power brick, you know, with a USB micro connector on it. So that's actually well done. Very nice. So then we also have the remote, which is cute and has an adhesive back. You can mount this anywhere, and it completely replicates the controls here, which is, as you can see, identical. So that's basically the kit and what you get in a box, as it were. You also get, as you can see here, there's a little package of quick ties or whatever to install the thing. Yeah, pretty straightforward. So that's it from Lutron. We've got the Aurora dimmer, which is a Zigbee device, which goes on top of an existing switch. And then you've got this starter kit with the hub, power supply, remote, and the wall-mounted switch. So thanks to Lutron for sending these. I'm going to try them out, and maybe I'll make another video and show you how it works. So stay tuned. I'll have more videos. Remember, this is a compliment to the podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. So subscribe and tell your friends. We're on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Spotify, everywhere good podcasts can be found. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Tell your friends. Click the notification bell below. Let me know, would you install this in your home? Is this something that's got you excited? You prefer having to do a bit of wiring like this to replace an existing switch or dimmer and keep your standard LED or incandescent lights and not have to go up on a ladder and change light bulbs? Or do you prefer using Zigbee or Philips Hue light bulbs and using a setup like this where you just mount this on the existing switch? There's no wiring involved, but you might have to climb a ladder. Tell me down there, and stay tuned for more videos soon. That's it, folks. Cheers, everybody.